friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen calzone in the air fryer. What we need is a frozen calzone and a cooking spray. So let's take out the air fryer basket and get the non-stick cooking spray so the calzone doesn't stick to the basket. Now let's open the package of frozen calzone. See, it's frozen solid, and we're gonna cook it in the air fryer. Let's place it in the air fryer and put the basket in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 350 degrees and set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the calzone. Look at that, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Air fryer is perfect for cooking calzone. It's nicely browned on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside. Now let's try it. Yummy, yummy. Look at that, perfectly cooked filling. So easy. So delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.